The self as God immanent shines forth of its own accord, just as the sun shines forth when the clouds are removed. Therefore, you see, enlightenment is a totally different thing than what you thought. You thought enlightenment is a goal that I will pursue. Instead, you see that it is what happens when you remove its barriers. You don't have to do anything to become enlightened except stop being unenlightened. How'd that? How'd that, baby? You is what is already. I is? Yep, you is. I'm what is? You're what is. If you didn't is, you wouldn't be saying what is. Something has to be there to question, who am I? How did I get to be where I am? And how do I get enlightened? Stop being unenlightened. It's simple. You all agree? Everybody promises they will stop being unenlightened. Stick by your agreement. You're all that is. You're all that there can be. You're all that there ever was. Wow. You don't have to do anything? Nope. Don't have to go anywhere? Nope. Don't have to read anything? Nope. Don't have to sit in yoga postures and go weirdy breathing? Nope. It's a realization. That's how long it took.